Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day and it is my 286th Floss Tube, and today is June 24th, 2025. Where did this month go? Holy cow. And I have the cup of the month, and today I am drinking English breakfast tea that goes with all my little Peter Rabbit stuff that I got from my friend Jill, who lives in the UK. Yeah, so I thought, why not? Let's have something different. It has been a week. Yeah. It was busy at work, and then it wasn't, and then it was, and yesterday was terribly busy until about 7, 8 o'clock. It was weird. They just kept coming and coming. I have no idea where they're going, if they're all on vacation or what, but yeah. And today, I do not have to go to work, because we are installing our new, we'll call them computers and the computer programs. So they just closed the store, the convenience store, for the day, because they have no idea how long it will take and all that good stuff. And then they have to coordinate everything with the pumps, and beyond my brain. So I'm glad somebody is in charge and knows what they're doing. Yeah. So last week was kind of quiet. Yeah, no starts, no reviews. I know, 2 weeks in a row. We will have a review this week and probably a start. So at least one. I did have something show up, so that'll be tomorrow's video. Yeah, so let's take a gander at what we worked on last week. Maybe, since I have some free time, I will work on this one. I'll show you the whole thing in entirety and try to get all the glare off of it. But that's that beautiful little heart that my granddaughter gave me. So I got plenty of time today to do it. We didn't get much, you see what I mean? And pull. Much done. So I'll just keep working right here until I get half of it done, and then, you know, move kind of accordingly, if you will, and see how much of it I can get done today. But yeah, it sounds like a heck of a project to work on. Might as well, right? And I have a string. Let's see what this is. I have to look. Yep. I put all the thread. Oh, I see what's going on. Holy cow. We worked on the cat and the pillow, and I got that from VIP Cross Stitch at the end of January. So, yep, we're just working right up in here on this part of the pillow. I couldn't think what I was going to say. Yeah, so, yeah, didn't get any farther. But, yeah, we'll just keep at it, because I think it's beautiful. I love all the blues and the oranges and all the colors that coordinate, you know, together. We also worked on, if I can get out the paper, Mediterranean, and it came also from VIP Cross Stitch. I got this in November of last year. I think it was probably my birthday start. So I've been working on this side of this because I didn't want to go through all that blue, not quite yet. And I don't know how detailed and everything that all that's going to be, but this was a little bit more interesting and kind of nice to work on. And I'll show you. So, did do a tiny bit of sky there, but this is all mountains that goes behind these houses. There's some more here. We've been working on this tree, and I tried to work on it a little bit more, and I put a green color in there. Is that the tree? It has to be. but there was reds in it. So, I don't know. It's... Oh, no. Wrong one. Wrong. Just forget everything I just said. I didn't do any more on this. That was Colorful Town that I screwed up on. Holy cow. I'm like, where's those red trees? It still has trees on this side, but these trees are actually green, so we did add some dark green to that. But yeah, I just absolutely love this one. And it'll be going and going for a hot moment here, there, and everywhere. Yeah, I didn't even bring out Colorful Town because what I put in, I frogged out. It was awesome. Just awesome. And then I have to go back and put all the reds because there is a red tree. Not real sure how that's all going to work out. I do have a picture. I was like, where is the picture? This is Busy Ladies that I got from AliExpress. And we've been working on this lady right here. We get stuck on one lady all the time. I just don't feel right going on. I only did it on the hairpins because I got the wrong bottom of somebody's dress. So, been working on her. She's sitting there playing the, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm still trying to get across here with that beautiful, it's like a pale turquoise color. Yeah. So there's a lot to be done in that section, but we'll keep at it, left, right, and indifferent, you know. And I also worked on this one. I don't know. Yep, it came from FG Normal. And it's called Flower Path. And I was kind of trying to put some of the green and add more of the pinks to make this pink, we'll call it bouquet, of flowers. So that's about as far as I got with it. So I do have the top dang near mastered here. And most of this window, it's got a few more things in it. It has, hold please, 48 colors, maybe a little bit more, because of your back stitching. So this week, I was concentrating on adding this green to this bunch and finishing the flowers and moving on and across. But yeah, I didn't get too much done on that. And I did attempt, okay, I told you I got a kit for Sashiko, and the material that they sent, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like, it's almost as bad as the Tang Dynasty. Kind of like a cotton polyester. It's horrible. Horrible. Couldn't get the needle through it. I did poke myself in the face over here somewhere because I was trying to. Yeah, so I messed up my thumb again. Yeah, so we put it away for a while. Just not looking at it. I need some more pliable material if I'm ever going to get it done. So, yeah. Or work on any of it. Moving on. Got this from Diamond Art Decor. This is called Seaside Village. And I had been working on this, I guess it's pink, kind of pink house over here. I finished all the pink that went into that house and all the white, which is like the stairway and the walkway and up here, but it's all going to need back stitching. So then I thought, you know, why not? So I'm trying my best here. I'll just close it up this way. I started working on the greenhouse, so I don't know if you can tell how much of that I got done because the symbol is blue. Yeah, like a pale blue. So just putting in all that seafoam green, or yeah, it's more green, And I thought it was going to be a darker green. So, yeah. And, I know, not to be outdone by everybody, I did work on the hairpins, of course, like it seemed like every day. And I tried desperately to fold this so that I could pull it out. So, jeez, of course, get that out of the way. Holy crap. I know I should have taken another picture. I did finish that green leaf right by those pink flowers in her hair. Finish that all the way down, working on the next leaf over here. I need to come this way and finish the rest of that leaf there. And worked a little bit on the dress. Just trying to add some of that. That whole green section there is going to be white. So I add a little bit of that there. Worked on this middle section of her skirt right there, trying to get all that. It looks pink. It's more of a lavender color. So yeah, get that all filled in. Then I have to go back and fill in the rest of that. And that, guys, is everything. Whoops. Stay. Everything that I worked on last week. Yeah, it just seems like all I worked on was it the most. That and those seaside houses, because I wanted to make some more progress. Oh, that's really good tea. Make more progress on the seaside houses and maybe even just get all that green. Laughingly, it's like a pale mint color. It seems like it should be darker, but it isn't. Maybe there'll be, after I get all the lines and stuff in it, because you have to outline the roof and the railings and all, and a little bit in the trees. So yeah, we'll just keep those out for summer and work on both of them, because I really like them. I really do. And I've got the most progress in the little ones in those two, because I worked on them a lot last year as well. But other than that, that is it this week. Hopefully there will be some reviews and new starts and get to see all the new things. We'll see how long it takes for everything to get here. Like I said, I put in orders and now we just wait. So, yeah, I'm not happy with it, but it is what it is, and it'll get here in due course, and then they'll all show up at one time. That's how that works. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.